Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we going to make Khao Soi. Khao Soi is the curry noodle soup, and this one from north of Thailand, and very famous in Thailand. Okay, the ingredient we use chicken drumstick, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, red curry paste with the curry powder, palm sugar, preserved mustard green, green lime, sliced spring onion. Yeah, the noodle, you can see from the package, 2 types of this noodle. This one, the big size. Yeah, use the big size. This one we boil and fry, and coconut milk. Okay, banana shallot. Yeah, we need to slice. Okay, we start now. Yeah, first we put the cooking oil. With the medium heat, and then we put curry paste. This is about 200 grams, but this one not supposed to be hot curry, have to be a little bit milder. No, if you want hotter, you put chili oil. Eat with the chili oil. And you fry with the curry powder. Yeah, use a half spoon of curry powder. You fry the fry the paste until you get nice smell. You use the top of coconut milk from the can, yeah, the thick one, bit by bit. And then you keep on stirring. The more you stir, the more you get nice smell. Okay, long enough. We fry curry paste with the coconut milk. Now we put the drumstick in here. Okay, ใส่ไปเลย And we fry drumstick for a while until the skin have cooked, and then we add the coconut milk. And now we put the bottom one of coconut milk. This one lighter. You can see a little bit thick. You can add a little bit of water. The coconut milk have to be above of chicken.อยากได้ subscribe million.
Huh? Hey, take your clothes off.
นะ
Take your clothes off.
Then unsubscribe.
Sex sales.
Yeah. Then I get unsubscribe every day.
And become minus.
Yeah. Okay, then we just leave it. Right, and now while we waiting for the chicken cook, we slide this one. Yeah. Okay, we need to wash. We slide into small pieces. Okay, banana shallot. Yeah, we need to slice. Okay. Now we waiting for the chicken drumstick cook. Okay, we can check it actually.
I don't know why you like to hold Tom's funny way.
Okay. Yeah. Now we put the taste,
Sugar.
and after put the taste, then another 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay. We put 3 tablespoons of fish sauce first. Water of salt. Palm sugar. Look at the drumstick. I think only about half an hour to be cooked. Yeah, we add another 1 spoon of fish sauce. A little bit more of palm sugar. Okay, in the same time we boil the water. Okay, we need to boil this noodle with the boiling water about 3 minutes. Right, we fry with the hot cooking oil. Okay, now the oil very hot now. Yeah, you can put that one. Only I think 5 seconds, but you have to turn all the time. If not, you can get burned easily. Okay, just like this. Okay, now we're ready to serve. Top. Okay, now we put the fried noodle on top, right? And then put the preserved mustard green top, sliced banana syrup, and then sliced spring onion. You can put a piece of lamb. If you want hotter, you can have with the chili oil. This is how the khao soi look like. Our khao soi look like.
We're here again and we're gonna try Khao Soi. So this is another one of my faves. And a particularly good one up in Chiang Mai. Oh, listen to that crunch. Let's put a bit of lime on here. I'm gonna make a mess with this guy, so let's squeeze some lime on there. Let's try a bit of this chicken. Oh, that looks good. Oh. Oh wow. That's so good. Chicken is so tender, succulent, and surprisingly the sauce has actually penetrated into it. Let's try some of the noodles. This is really good actually. The soup is amazing, spicy, punchy. It's actually spicy enough. I didn't need to put any chili oil. Give this a go at home. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And we'll see you again next week. Take care now. Bye.